What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here. Today we are making the ultimate bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. We've got here 4 simple ingredients. Bacon. I'm using middle rasher bacon today because it has a good amount of fat and meat ratio. But if you like your bacon a bit more crispier, go with streaky bacon. I know you Americans love that. Or if you want a bit less fat, go with shortcut bacon. Here I've got myself also a delicious, beautiful Turkish bread. You can use any sort of bread you like. 2 eggs and just cheese. Simple ingredients, but we're going to learn how to do these really well to build your initial confidence in the kitchen. So let's get into it and make a delicious sandwich. Let's go. So we're going to start off by cooking the bacon first. Turn the heat to a medium and lay your bacon straight into the pan. If you have a decent pan, you don't even need oil because the bacon will produce a lot of oil once it cooks. When you cook bacon, what you want to do is render down the fat. This just means cooking the meat until the oil from the fat gets extracted out. You see how the bacon is producing a lot of oil as it cooks? This is part of the rendering process. What you're aiming for is to turn that fat from a white to a more translucent caramelized brown color. Once that fat turns into that lovely clear brown color, you know the bacon's done. So let's transfer this over to a plate and toast our bread. Next step is to slice your bread roll into 2 slices and get them toasted in that lovely bacon grease. The reason why we cook that bacon first is so that we can have that lovely, beautiful bacon grease to toast our bread and fry our egg. That's going to give us that lovely bacon flavor that's just going to radiate throughout this whole damn sandwich. You want to toast the bread on both sides on a medium to medium-low heat until they're nicely golden brown. This bread is nicely toasted now, so I'm going to take these off and move on to the final element of our dish, the fried egg. Ah, the fried egg, such a breakfast staple. Add a touch of olive oil into the pan and crack 2 eggs into the pan. You want to cook one side for 1 minute on medium heat. Season with salt, pepper, not too much salt because the bacon is salty already. Flip over, add your cheese and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to let that cheese melt down. You can use something to cover the pan so that the cheese also melts quicker. What we're looking for is a runny yolk. Not too runny that it becomes a hot mess to eat, but slightly runny to lubricate your sandwich. Time to assemble our ultimate sandwich. I like to add a touch of tomato sauce, or ketchup as you Americans like to call it. Get your 2 lovely eggs on, and finally, those lovely slices of bacon. Yummy, look at that. Ooh, I don't know about you, but I think this is the best bacon and egg sandwich I've ever seen. Oh yes. And that, my friends, is my version of the ultimate fried egg, cheese, and bacon sandwich. A super simple breakfast, but guys, if you do the simple things well, you get a plate of deliciousness like this. Also, if you want to see the next episode, make sure to subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. See?
I was born ready for this. Damn. Where's my coffee? Where's my smoothie, dude? Some barbecue sauce would be nice.
I got tomato sauce.
I'm barbecue.
Look, Lakey wants some. Look.
Oh, here you go. Stop recording.